Hi, welcome to our live Q&A for Copenhagen Fashion Week's Autumn-Winter 21, the digital edition. My name is Julia Brenard. I'm the Acting Shopping Director at British Vogue. And joining with me today is Karen, the founder and creative director of Rodebjer. Welcome and congratulations on your collection.
So much.
So you're here to answer a few questions for us. Tell me about your inspiration from Wunderkammer. It sounds like such a romantic notion, and how this led you to a more functional and sustainable collection.
I mean, considering the time we are in, I wanted to be extremely responsible and considerate during the process. And I knew that the Wunderkammer idea was actually there to remind us of how precious we wanted every piece to be. And that's also, I mean, it led into something that was quite pragmatic and functional, but we still wanted to elevate every product so it could really fit into our idea of the Wunderkammer wardrobe.
Lovely. Rodebjer has always been committed to sustainability. How are you continuing this and growing these practices? And are there any specific examples in this collection?
I mean, I've always been very value driven when it comes to sustainability from the very beginning. It was hard before, though, because the business wasn't so driven towards sustainability. Now it's getting much better, which I love. And in the long term, I would love to make it fully circular. We're not there yet, and we have a long way to go still. But with this collection, we have used a lot of sustainable and responsible qualities. So we have lots of recycled down and recycled leather and recycled jacquard weaves and organic cottons and certified viscose. So we have the sourcing has been as responsible as we could have done. But it's a long way to go, and we still have a lot to learn the business, I think. And
it's always growing.
Yeah, it is always growing, but it's very interesting. And I have hired a position internally as well who handles all these kind of questions because we feel that they have to be prioritized.
Good to hear. And lastly, how do you feel your brand and the Rodebjer, and I hope I'm saying that correctly with my British accent, the Rodebjer woman has grown in this past challenging year?
Yeah, it has been challenging for sure. I think somehow I feel like the Rodebjer woman, she has always been kind of aware of things and conscious. So I think she's kind of happy that the world is coming along and that we can together work for a better future somehow. So I think she's a bit the same as she has always been. And I would say that she is happy that things are changing.
Oh, that's good. That's good to hear. Well, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you everyone for tuning in to our Q&A live from Copenhagen Fashion Week. Thank you. Have a lovely